10.2.2.88/27. You have a /27. So if you match your /27 in your cheat sheet, what is your group size? We have 32. Now from our IP address, we know we're dealing with the full octet still. So our area of interest is this right here. So that's our target IP octet. So 88 is our target IP octet. The target IP octet is the full octet, and the value is 88. So we have a /27 that gives a group size of 32. So what do we do next? We go from 0 in increments of our group size, or step increments of our group size, until we go past our target IP octet value of 88 in this case. So we'll go 0. Next we'll go 0 plus 32. +32.
32.
We'll go 64 plus 32.
26.
Okay. So at this point, we've gone past our target IP octet value of 88. We've gone past our target value of 88. So from here, we can go ahead and find all the other attributes. So the value before our target IP octet value of 88, that gives us our network ID. So our network ID becomes 10.2.2. The value before our target IP octet value of 88 is 64. So that gives us 64 here. Our next network is the value after the target IP octet. So the 96 is our next network. So we have 10.2.2.96. From here, we know our group size is 32. So our number of IP addresses, since we're still dealing in the full octet, we know is 32. Or you can still go ahead and calculate that as 2 raised to the power of 32 minus our prefix was a /27. And that should give you 32 still. Our number of usable IP addresses, as explained, the reserved, we have the network and the broadcast, so we do 32 minus 2. That gives us 30 usable IP addresses. Before we come back to the subnet, let's go ahead and fill the other attributes. Our network ID and the next network, we can go ahead and get our broadcast IP, first host and last host. So our broadcast IP is a next network -1. So we have 96. So our broadcast IP should be 95. Our first host is a network ID +1. So we have 10.2.2.65. Our last host is a broadcast -1. So we have 10.2.2.94. Now, onto our CIDR subnet mask. We know we're dealing with the full octet, a /27. That gives us a subnet mask of 224. It gives us a subnet mask of 224 right here. So /27, our subnet mask is 224. We know we're dealing in the fourth octet, so we have nothing to do with the first, the second, and the third octet in this case. So those stay as 255, 255, or 255.255.255.224. So we have 255.255.255.224. So this is how we get our attributes for this IP address.